The next question I had was question number two. Poems about the sea often evolve into a shanty or a sailor's song. What qualifies this poem potentially as a sailor's shanty? Actually, if you look it up on YouTube, you will see the first thing that'll pop up is the shanty version of this song, the sung version, which I will not be doing. So three reasons this qualifies as a shanty in my mind. One, it's singing about home. Of course, when you're on the sea, there's only one thing really on your mind, uh, on the inside in reality, and that's home. Two, working through the storm. I feel like a lot of summer shanties have that normal hardship they have to go through, such as working through the storm, which is kind of when you think they would sing. Uh, at least that's what they do in Pirates of the Caribbean. And then finally, there's that tough nuts mentality. Don't think that is derogatory. I think I'm okay here. But it's kind of just like a harsh truth. I'm alone with little resolution. Kind of like that's my problem. I'm going to have to deal with it, but this is just the reality that I'm in. I find that in a couple of other shanties also.